Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Today we want to take a look at a new stock that we haven't covered before on this channel. It's going to be Coinbase. Hope you're excited as I am. So let's go. So we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. We have introduced a change now to the website. I already mentioned it in one of the last videos that we are going to start to offer here updates about certain tech stocks as well. You can find that here on the website. All you need to do is to register. You can do that completely for free. And then you'll find our Tech 33 package here on the website. Every day we cover a range of different stocks. What we want to take a look at, however, is Coinbase today, because it is quite interesting and we are currently on our way into a trading area. And I know a lot of you are interested in Coinbase. It's a very, very popular stock. So why not start on the one-day chart here on the Coinbase chart? This gives you the overall outlook, the overall overview of the chart. So let's take a look at that. And you can see here that the idea is that a wave two bottomed at $70.76 end of last year, after a wave one peaked at $429.54. That's at least the idea here, according to this wave count, wave structure, that the initial move down can be considered an ABC structure to the downside. There are other ways of labeling this, but it is predominantly seen as a corrective structure. The idea is that now the market, since that low, has started to work on this third wave, which should take us into, probably the $700, $800 region eventually. But that's more of a long-term outlook. I mean, you can see here on the daily time frame that there is a resistance level that needs to be broken at $429.54. But this gives you the critical breakout point on the long-term chart and the critical support level that needs to hold to keep this assumption on the daily time frame alive is $70.76. Now, I've often mentioned in previous videos that a third wave is the most aggressive wave in a cycle. Okay, so in the Elliott-Wave, let's say according to Elliott-Wave, according to the theory, to the principle, we're always watching for 5-wave patterns in the market. So 5-wave movements are moving into the trend direction. So if the assumption is the trend is up, we're watching for a 5-wave move up. And we are now, after completing wave two, we're now likely in a third wave to the upside. Obviously, there will be more detail on the smaller time frame. So we have to take a look at that to understand, okay, what are the critical invalidation points, support levels, targets, and so on. Because, I mean, the price is now trading around $220. So you don't want to wait until the price breaks below $70.76 to get an understanding that something different is going on. So we need to be warned before, but also at the same time, this provides a opportunity because there's a trading area that now comes into sight. So looking at the smaller time frame chart, this is the 4-hour time frame. You can see that after this wave two bottomed in October last year, we started to rally in a wave one in blue, had a wave two pullback. This year is another 5-wave move up, which topped at $287.46 in March. And this is also the next key breakout point, the next key upside breakout point and resistance level that needs to be broken on the smaller time frame to confirm that the third wave to the upside here in orange is unfolding, because so far we're tracking this as a 1-2-1-2 setup. In the preferred scenario, this wave 2 is still in the making and should send the price into the region between $134.06 and $180.58. From here, we are primarily watching for a reversal. Now, it is possible in an alternative scenario that this wave 2 already bottomed, but price action from that low that formed in May, it's just not convincing to the upside. However, we cannot rule it out completely. It already reacted here to a trading area, but it takes a break above $287.46 to confirm that we already completed wave two. In this case, we would assume the third wave is already unfolding, but we assign that only a 33% likelihood at the moment. So primarily we are watching for lower prices in the short term, but then this is where an opportunity could arise because the third wave of an even larger third wave should then be unfolding from there. Again, what's the invalidation point? It's $114.52, even though ideally the price holds $134 $1.06. It's just that below that trading area, the bullish outlook as it is presented here on the chart will reduce in likelihood. That's why we have these trading areas. I mean, when you use them to make a trade, what you could do, you could add a stop loss like 1% or 2% below the lower boundary of the box. That would be here just below $134.06. But please be aware there is some wiggle room. The official formal invalidation point is $114.52. Yeah, so pretty good outlook actually. I would say something for the watch list to pay some attention to that trading area here. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment as well. Let me know which other tech stocks you want me to analyze going forward. And yeah, feel free to register on the website as well to receive these free daily Elliott-Wave updates. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.